keep asking me, why you always smiling every afternoon? I tell them, nah, it's nothing. But deep inside, I know exactly what it is. There's this island girl. Her name is Sakau. Her name is Sakau. There's an island girl I know, lives just down the road from me. Every afternoon she calls, and I leave my worries behind. I tell myself I'm moving on, I won't see her anymore. But when the shadows start to fall, I'm headed for her door. Try to run, I try to hide, but she's always on my mind. The more I say goodbye to her, the more I want her by my side. Sakau, you're driving me crazy. Sakau, you got me wanting you daily. I say I'm done, but that ain't true. Every afternoon I'm thinking about you. Sakau, my island girl. My friends all know the story well. They see that look upon my face. As soon as daylight starts to fade, they know exactly where I'll be. She waits for me so patiently beneath the evening sky. And every time I meet with her, she makes my spirit fly. Sakau, you've got a hold on me like the ocean holds the sea. From the mountains to the shore, you keep calling me for more. Sakau, you're driving me crazy. Sakau, still got me wanting you daily. I say goodbye, but then I do the same old thing and come running to you. Sakau, my island girl. My island girl. Every afternoon I swear today's the day I'll stay away. But when the sun begins to fall, I hear Sakau calling my name. Sakau.